Hi, I'm Maddie and I've been in Urban Strides for a year. To be a part of Urban Strides is just amazing. Ever since I was 15, watching them activate every year, I've just been wanting to be in their group every single year, looking up to them at the end of the performance, just thinking, oh my god, I've got goosebumps, that was amazing. I auditioned a year ago and I got in, and then I started going to weekly classes. What really changed my mindset was at Brighton I didn't really get anything in the show, I wasn't put in any sections, but that really pushed me. And then I went to Hip Hop Don't Stop over the summer, which is always so much fun. You get to learn so many different styles that we don't always get to learn, like crumping. Just not getting in any of the pieces in Brighton was such a wake-up call for me, because it just made me push for everything else and think, I know I want to be, how am I going to get there? And I managed to get into tour, and it just blew my mind, because I just thought, a few months ago I was in that one section of the dance, now I'm going on tour. It's just amazing. I'm so happy I'm here now, and all I keep doing is progressing, like the only way is up.